Imagine buying a beautiful piece of IKEA furniture. You're excited to put it together. You open the box and it's full of parts. But there are no instructions. How frustrating. That's what designing a course without quality assurance can feel like. QA is like having the instructions for your course. It helps you build a learning experience that is clear, engaging, and effective. Without QA, your course might be confusing or frustrating for learners. They might not learn what they need to know. QA ensures your course is the best it can be. It helps you catch mistakes and make improvements along the way. Just like instructions ensure your furniture is assembled correctly, QA helps you create a course that is well-designed and easy to follow. Many people think QA is just about fixing typos, but it's much more than that. QA in instructional design is about ensuring the quality of the entire learning experience. This means checking that the content is accurate, engaging, and relevant to the learner. It also means making sure the course is accessible to everyone regardless of their abilities. QA is about creating a positive and effective learning experience for all. It's about making sure that learners can achieve their learning goals. It's about creating a course that is both valuable and enjoyable. There are two main types of QA: process-oriented and product-oriented. Think of baking a cake. Process-oriented QA is like following the recipe carefully. You measure ingredients precisely and follow each step in order. Product-oriented QA is like tasting the cake at the end. You're checking to make sure it looks and tastes delicious. Both types of QA are important for instructional design. Process-oriented QA helps you catch errors early on. Product-oriented QA ensures that the final product is high quality. Your QA Toolkit. Best practices for success. There are many best practices for incorporating QA into your instructional design process. One important practice is using checklists. Checklists help you remember all the important elements of a good learning experience. Another best practice is to ensure alignment between learning objectives, content, and assessments. This means making sure that everything in your course works together to help learners achieve the desired outcomes. Accessibility testing is also crucial. This involves checking that your course can be accessed by learners with disabilities. Tools and standards. Your QA power-ups. Many tools and standards can help you with QA. One useful tool is a style guide. A style guide ensures consistency in your course materials, making it easier for learners to follow along. Another helpful tool is an accessibility checker. This tool can help you identify and fix accessibility issues in your course. Standards like the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, provide guidelines for creating accessible content. Take a moment to reflect on your own experiences with instructional design. Have you ever taken a course that was confusing or frustrating? How could QA have improved that experience? Think about the courses you design. How can you incorporate QA into your own process to ensure that your learners have the best possible experience? The QA journey is a continuous path to excellence. QA is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of continuous improvement. By embracing QA as an integral part of your instructional design process, you can create learning experiences that are truly effective and engaging. Remember, quality matters. By investing in QA, you invest in the success of your learners and the quality of your instructional materials. Start implementing these practices today and witness the transformative power of QA in your instructional design journey. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.